accused every chairman of the Electoral Commission, Chigondo, Yabakama, of holding sham elections countrywide. But these ones within our party make the Abakama's elections look like star elections. And so we can't bequeath that to a party for which many people have lost lives, have lost opportunity. And it isn't even complicated. A new election would still elect leaders that were selected. They could be re-elected. And so for the good of our party, for the good of the people of Uganda, for the good of democracy, this is what is the bottom line for us. We are members of NEC. We have been at this through our meetings, and we have made resolutions. A party that does not respect its resolutions is not good enough for the people of Uganda. And also we are duty bound to abide by the expectations of the Political Parties and Organizations Act. And so we do believe as members of NEC that we should respect the resolution of NEC and go back to it and heal our party, grow our party, and use the party for the purpose for which we formed it. Thank you.
We'll continue this side and then it turn to this side.
Chairman,
Why don't you come here?
on NEC, I'm the Vice Chairperson.
Wait.
On NEC, I'm the Vice Chairperson of FDC in charge of Western Uganda. And I'm here this morning, first of all, to confirm that I'm part of this statement, which was presented by our chairman, Honorable Ssemujju. Two, I want to confirm the country and all members of FDC that no election has taken place in my region, Western Uganda. I've heard some people talking about that maybe some areas in some districts, but I want to confirm that so far no election, because as leaders of FDC, we are telling our colleagues that there is a problem. And you can see it. Actually, we are expecting our vice chairperson from the northern region to join us, and the deputy president. So, if everyone from the NEC, the National Executive Committee, one of the highest bodies regulating this party of FDC, is telling you that there is something wrong, why do you continue? So, members from my region, I call upon you to resist this